Learn English through the story of Cristiano Ronaldo shadowing and listening practice. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro was born on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, a small island off the coast of Portugal. He came from a humble family. His father worked as a gardener and kitman, and his mother was a cook. Life was not easy. They didn't have a lot of money, but they had love and support. From a very young age, Ronaldo showed a deep love for football. He played on the streets, in schoolyards, and anywhere he could. He was fast, focused, and passionate. People noticed his talent early on. When he was only 8 years old, he joined a local team called Andorinha. His father worked there part-time, and that helped Ronaldo get his first chance. Soon, he moved to a bigger club, Nacional, and after a short time, he caught the attention of Sporting Lisbon, one of the top teams in Portugal. At just 12 years old, he left his island home and moved to Lisbon alone. It was a big sacrifice. He missed his family, cried often, and had to grow up quickly. But he trained hard every single day. At Sporting's Academy, Ronaldo trained with older and stronger players. His speed, dribbling, and dedication were incredible. At just 16, he was already playing with the first team. Then something happened that would change his life forever. In 2003, Sporting played a friendly match against Manchester United, a famous club in England. Ronaldo played brilliantly. After the game, United's players and their coach, Sir Alex Ferguson, were so impressed that they signed him immediately. Cristiano Ronaldo became the first Portuguese player to join Manchester United. When he arrived in England, Ronaldo was just 18 years old. He didn't speak English well. He missed home, but he focused on improving, not just in football, but also in life. He worked harder than anyone. He practiced after training. He studied English. He wanted to be the best. At Manchester United, Ronaldo became a star. He won 3 Premier League titles and 1 Champions League trophy. He scored amazing goals, performed unforgettable tricks, and became known for his power and precision. In 2008, he won his first Ballon d'Or, the award for the best player in the world. But Ronaldo wasn't done yet. In 2009, he signed with Real Madrid, one of the biggest football clubs in the world. The transfer was a record at the time, 94 million euros. At Madrid, Ronaldo reached new heights. He scored goals at an unbelievable rate, more than 1 goal per game. He formed a legendary rivalry with Lionel Messi, and fans around the world debated who was the greatest. During his time at Madrid, Ronaldo won 4 Champions League titles, 2 La Liga titles, and many other trophies. He also won 4 more Ballon d'Or awards. He became Real Madrid's all-time top scorer with over 450 goals. But his story doesn't end there. In 2018, Ronaldo made another bold move. He joined Juventus, a top team in Italy. Even at over 30 years old, he continued to dominate. He helped the team win the Italian league and brought his leadership, discipline, and work ethic with him. In 2021, Ronaldo returned to Manchester United, the club where he first became a global superstar. Fans welcomed him back with open arms. He continued to score goals and inspire younger players. Then in 2022, Ronaldo made headlines again by moving to Al Nassr, a club in Saudi Arabia. While many were surprised by the move, it showed that Ronaldo was still open to new challenges and ready to bring football to new audiences. On the international stage, Ronaldo has had a long and powerful career with the Portugal national team. He became the top scorer in the history of international football with over 120 goals. He led Portugal to win Euro 2016 and the Nations League in 2019, 2 historic victories for his country. Off the field, Ronaldo is known for his discipline, his strict diet, and his incredible fitness. Even in his late 30s, he maintains the body of an elite athlete. He's also a father, a philanthropist, and a global ambassador for sports. Cristiano Ronaldo's story is not just about talent, it's about hard work, discipline, sacrifice, and never giving up. He started with nothing and became one of the greatest athletes of all time. Now it's your turn. Go back to the beginning of this video and try to shadow the story. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and build your confidence in English. Thank you for learning with Easy Pace English. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are also learning English. And remember, learning English is not a race, it's a journey. We'll see you in the next story. Goodbye for now.